Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving break. Take a look at your headers today. Don't worry about the CVC, the cvce, and cvvc at this point yet. Please notice that the short A symbol stands for the short A sound in the middle of the words, such as in the word black, black. And the long A symbol stands for the long A sound in the middle of words, such as in space and rain, where the A says its name, the long vowel sound. Pay special attention to space and rain. We have two long A words with two different spellings. This is where our headers will come into play. CVCE, that A-E, consonant, vowel, consonant, E, gives us the long A sound in space. And we have two vowels put together, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, in rain. The two vowels put together, AI, make rain, make the A long in that word. Be on the lookout, there are two oddballs this week. As usual, when you get your words sorted, say each word, and that will help you find your oddballs. Your two oddballs will have the CVC and the CVVC pattern, but they will sound different from the other words. There are a few words we need to look at to make sure we understand their meaning. This main, circled in green, is not like the main thing that is about the mane on a horse. A horse's mane is the hair that runs down the back of their head and neck. Right next to that we have tail. That is not the tail of a horse. That would be like a story tale. Move down the first column. This main is the main street or the main idea. And this tail on the right column, moving down, is the tail of an animal, not a story tale. Other than that, I think we understand the rest of the words. If you have any questions, please ask. Cut your words out, complete your sort. Get all materials put away neatly. Raise your hand so you can get your sort checked and get your homework packet.